Hello everyone, it's Dcuber and today I'm going to show you 6 ZBLL algorithms which are very easy to learn and are made from just one algorithm. So the idea here is that the all 6 of them are basically the same algorithm but with the setup move. So we do a setup move and then the basic algorithm and then we undo the setup move. So the basic algorithm we will be using is the same which is used for the corner solving in blind. So the basic algorithm is quite simple. It is same as YPerm from the PLL but without the starting f and ending f prime. So the algorithm becomes r u prime u prime r u r prime f prime r u r prime u prime r prime f r. So what this algorithm does is that it swaps these two edges and these two corners, specifically this sticker with this one. So we will be using this algorithm by setting up cases to form 6 different ZBLLs. So the first case is quite simple. Here the setup will be R2. So the setup will R2 and then the basic algorithm and then we will undo the setup which will be R2 again. So here you can see that if we will do R2 and then the basic algorithm, it cancels an R. So the final algorithm which will the final algorithm will be r prime u prime r prime u prime r u r prime f prime r u r prime u prime r prime f r prime. So the first algorithm is quite simple. Here the setup will be of R2. So R2 will be the setup and we will do the basic algorithm and then undo the setup. So the case is like this. Here, the white stickers are facing this and here, and these two edges need to be swapped and these two corners need to be swapped. It is fairly easy to recognize as there's a big line over here and here. So it looks like a L from this view. So we will hold it from here and do R2 and then the basic algorithm and R prime. But you can see that when you will do R2 it will and then the basic algorithm it will cancel an R. So the final algorithm will be R prime u prime r prime u prime r u r prime f prime r u r prime u prime r prime f r prime. So this algorithm can be done quite fast. So fast will look like so. This is the first algorithm. The second algorithm is of the same case, but here the setup will be f prime d, bringing this sticker to here, and then the swapping algorithm, and then d prime f. So here this is the same case, but these two edges need to be swapped and these two corners. And this in this case, here's a big line here, and instead the block from here it's here. So now this looks like a J. So you hold it from here and do f prime d and then the basic algorithm and then d prime and f. So this was the second algorithm. So now to the third algorithm. This is a different case. It's and the setup here is f2. So f2 is the setup, and then what it does is we are swapping this sticker with this sticker. So we do an f2 and then the basic algorithm and then f2. So this is the case. The headlights are facing now this side, the white stickers are facing here, and these two edges need to be swapped and these two corner needs to be swapped, and here's a J like the previous case. But here the only difference is that the headlights are facing now your left side. So the algorithm is quite simple. We do f2, the basic algorithm, and then f2. It can be done quite fast if you practice it. Now to the fourth algorithm. So this is of the same case, but here the setup is r prime f. So what it does is that it brings this sticker to here, and this sticker swaps is this sticker. So r prime f, and then the normal algorithm, and then the undo the setup by f prime r. So you can see the headlights facing back, and it is the same as the first algorithm. A line here and a block here, imagine it like a L, and these two edges needs to be swapped in these two corners, but it is now the headlights are facing to the back, not to the right and left. So you do r prime f swapping algorithm and f prime r. So this algorithm is also quite easy and can be done quite fast if you practice it. So now to the next algorithm. So here the setup will be r prime. So we will move this sticker to here, and we will swap it from here. So this case, the case will be this one. It's just like and if you will do it normal way, you will get an r perm. So it's better to do it. Yeah. So the algorithm, so you can see if we'll do the setup as r prime, the basic algorithm has r, so it will cancel it. So the final algorithm according to me, like the final algorithm which I have made is r prime u prime r u r prime f prime r u r prime u prime r prime f r2. So this will be the, we will be holding it from here. This block is made, this block is made, these two edges need to be swapped, and these two corners need to be swapped. So the final algorithm will be, we will take out this pair, we'll put it here and then here, and then we will put it here, and then we will take out this block and then put it where it belongs back, and then we'll join it, and then r2 and u prime to finish. So it's a really nice algorithm. In faster will look like now to the last algorithm, and this is of the same case, but here the setup will be f2d. So we are swapping this sticker with this sticker. So the setup is f2d, and then the normal basic algorithm, and undo the setup by d prime f2. So this is the case, same as the last one, but if you will do the if you will do the same algorithm from the last one, it will not solve it. So this is a different case. So f2d, the basic algorithm, d prime f2. So how you recognize is that these now instead of this corner facing here and this corner facing this way, now this corner is facing towards you and this one is facing towards right. I will show you the previous case. So in this case, this corner faced towards the left and this one towards the back, and as same, these two edges need to be swapped. So and in this case, this corner will be facing towards you and this corner will be facing towards the left. So you will be holding it from here. In the last case you are holding it from here, but in this case you will be holding it from here. So the algorithm goes like f2d, the basic algorithm, and then d prime f2. This will solve this case. So I hope you learned something from this video. These 6 ZBLs are quite easy to recognize and remember, and if you will practice enough, you can use them in your solves and can get better times. This was my first video and I wanted it to be kind of educational so that people can learn from it. So I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please share this video. I'll be back with some more cubing content. Until then, this is dcuber signing off.